Chief Minister Kajala Conrad ke sangma haka jingwan hiar shajuai hak arpuwe trik jamang ula pelong ka jingalang ringkat MLA kajuai ma wailat miki shla kumju ki opisar nakatanat PWD ha CTC Orchid in Thatlasken. Haka jingalang uma wailat miki shla ula IT yak dorkas ha Conrad ke sangma ban pelat yak pisa nakabenta ban shna sai ki arteli ki blok jong ka mini secretariat hajuai haka baka first block kala kanjo propersan ka jing pendap ya ka jing tay. MLA ula dawaru ban pynheh ya ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College ka jing bu ya ka nursing college hajuai bat ban pynioh ya ka advanced life support ambulance hapo ka district. Habaya day ba ka jing dawa jong MLA umintri rangba ka jela ulaong ki jing dawa kilong ki babyang bat syong nongrim. Habaya day bat ki artali ki blok ulaong ba unsa pet ya ka ni kabenta na marga jingdan ka mini secretariat kan pensuk ya ki pat ba. Halor ka jingdawa pynheh ya ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College Conrad ulaong ba ka kam kalaya syakman bat syen an pelat pisa na kabenta ban pynheh ya ka college pinang man pensuk ya ki samla puli ka district bat ka thain rilum jantia haki puar ban wan. Ula pun benaru ba syen an sedang no ka jingpan tre ya ka nursing college hajuai kumju ban pynioh ya ka advanced life support ambulance hapo ka district ban yo jingarap ki pat ba.
So we had a meeting with, of course, our Honorable MLA has given a memorandum, and he has requested that the mini secretariat, which the first block is 85% complete. He has requested if the other two blocks can be sanctioned, and it's a very, very genuine demand. Definitely, I will be positively looking into this aspect, as this is something that we have promised, and this is something that will go a long way in helping the overall administrative setup in July. So I will definitely look into this and positively find a way forward in this aspect. The Honorable MLA has also requested, which she has again requested in the past, and I have also announced it in the past, which is the extension of the Kiang Nangbah building, college building. And this process also is already on. So this will be done very, very soon. We will be sanctioning the college building, extension college building for Kiang Nangbah College, so that in the future there are more seats that are available for the students of Juwai and West Jente Hills in general. Also, we have promised that a nursing college in Jente Hills will be coming up. So that's also something that is under process, and very soon we should be able to announce that also officially and start that also officially. The Honorable MLA has mentioned about the ALS Ambulance for the district, which is something that is of course required because it's got advanced facilities in it, and there is none available here in West Jente Hills, and therefore this is something I have promised, and I will definitely look into this aspect.